So tell everybody what we did. You're alive. Tell them that's finally done.
Yeah, it's finally done.
All right, let's flip her out.
It's a bread.
Hey, it's just a figure of speech.
It's a bread.
Figure of speech. All right. All right.
It's done.
What do you think? Now, you want to wait a few minutes before we cut into it to see if the middle's done?
No.
You want to cut into it now? It's still hot. You gotta give it time. You gotta give it time to cool down. Fresh. Now you don't blow on it to cool it down.
I think it's like.
Hi, Sherry. Huh? What do you think? Oh, Sherry Mueller. Sweetheart. Yeah? Huh?
Just cut into it. Well, I should.
Just cut into it? Oh, get your bread knife. Alright, let me get your bread knife. Alright, where's the bread knife? Ah, biscuits. Let me put the bread knife in the... what? We did, didn't we? Do you know what a bread knife looks like?
No.
Here, hold this. Take the gloves off. Hold this. Tell everybody what we did to get the here. Here, hold it. Got it? Alright, I need the bread knife.
What?
Ooh, actually, I got a better idea. I got a better idea. Show down there.
Oh, it's hot.
Type of bread knife.
Oh, it's so electrifying.
Yeah, why not, right? You did such a good job doing the show. That are you showing them the bread, or are you
Where's
just
the bread?
pointing it to wherever you think?
No, I'm just feeling it because it's really hot.
Yeah, I know it's hot. That's why you gotta. Now we gotta make sure the middle's done. Let me get that extension cord.
This one's like open.
It just looks like.
No, it's open. This one's like perfect. And then you got that one. I'm just kidding.
Hey, those things took some work. Leave it alone.
I'm trying it.
Alright.
It'll taste better with butter. That one's like falling apart. I have marker on me.
Knives. Put the knives in.
Here, wait. Oh, Craig Mudge is wondering where his is.
Craig Mudd. Craig,
Yeah,
not
Craig.
Crage.
No,
said
if I said
Craig.
Craig, I'm sorry, I'm tired.
He called you Craig. Hey, Craig. What's up, buddy? Craig Mudd. That's a classic. I like it.
So what?
I said, that's a classic. I love it. Call them Craig. All right. One. There we are. They locked in. Okay. Okay. All right. Proceed.
Oh, my foot. No. Okay.
Would you like to?
No.
You don't want to cut into it? I was going to let you cut. All right, I'll cut. If you don't want to, I was giving you permission.
I'll cut the other one.
The one that... All right, here we go. Should we just cut the end?
The end. Sure. Okay, now I want to cut the other end.
Hold on.
This is mine.
You just go eat it. All right, hold on. I don't want to cut into that, otherwise I'll break it. I need my cutting board. I don't know how well the middle got done. If not, then the next one I put in will have to be in a little
The
bit
middle
longer.
is good.
All right, here we go. No, it's not. Biscuits need to be in a little bit longer.
Biscuits.
Shoot.
Biscuits are good with butter. It tastes fine.
No. It's not done all the way.
I feel it.
That
Can't believe you. It's not done all the way.
Alright, let's put it back in.
Man, you're a liar. I'm just kidding.
It tastes good though, right?
Well, duh. I just need some butter.
Okay, I'm gonna butter it down. I'm gonna have that a little buttered up. Put it back in for a minute. Luckily, we can actually.
What's
do
left
that.
of mine?
The what?
I just need what's left of
What are
mine.
you showing everybody?
Oh, the.
You know, people are trying to look at the bread here. I'm gonna butter this up.
You can see like my rooms.
It still tastes good, but
Weird.
I'll keep it in for about 10 minutes. I should get the middle done. So
I want some. I just don't want a lot.
I should take this into the phone and take that in the grill. Pretty easy. Ooh. Yep.
I don't want a lot.
Put that with the grandpa. Lonnie wants some too. All right. Gracie wanted butter. Ah! All right, everybody.
I didn't want that much butter. Crazy. There's your butter.
Wah!